okushomesa abantu ku bintu kwerinda za butandu byona bibira harorikoni omurukunjira municipality omu district ya Rukunjiri kandi omushomo ogwo gwishirwemo abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe. Alexander Babimpa Braka okuruga mu Civil Aviation Authority nagira ngo harumo abantu abinemeze yo kwiba ibintu by'abantu abari kuba batungereza butandu ngo kandi n'ubujunanizi bw'abebembezi okushomesa abo bona okurekeraho emizeji.
When something happens with that checking if they get these papers, but I'm say, okay? Police will check the wallet, but their main intention is to get the IDs. Who is this?
When the accident has happened, you still have a role to play as a stakeholder. And that is in the category of restore. You restore that person, you never know. Tomorrow, he can help you.
Ongomu nayongera agira ngo buri omwe n'obujunanizi obwo kuyamba omuntu ori kubatungira butandu kutari kuguma barinzire polisi na n'ebitongore bindi nka Red Cross.
It is not the work of Red Cross and other partners, no, it is also our work as locals. So I want to encourage you, those who will participate, please take it seriously.
Simon Peter Kwesiga okuruga Ministry ya Works na n'ebyentambura hamwe na Apollo Changungu omukuru wa polisi abwa Rukunjiri nagira ngo na butandeze rukukira kuba hamizi niziretwa abantu okupakira munonga mato.
You find a token there, crates of beer, you find the ticket there, boats, sheep, that are not so, they want so boring, but
it protects you from drowning. It keeps you in place so that someone who is moving towards you, rescue that is coming towards you, will be able to pick you out and rescue you.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Dan Basibi.